Hi everyone. Today we are going to create a new CentOS7 virtual machine or VM in Oracle VirtualBox. So to get started, you have Oracle VirtualBox running, then you click on New to continue. On the next screen, you're going to type in the name of your virtual machine. So I'm just going to put in CentOS7 as follows. Then I'm going to leave the machine folder as the default. Then the type and version will be Linux and Red Hat 64-bit respectively. I'm now going to allocate the memory from our virtual machine, so I'm going to set that to 4 gig or 4096 megabytes in size. The hard disk, I'm going to select create a virtual hard disk for now, then I'm going to click on create to continue. The next screen, you basically choose the location for your virtual disk, so I'm going to leave that as default. Then for the file size, I'm going to set that to 40 gig as follows. Then the remaining options on this screen I'm going to leave as default. Then I'm going to click on create to continue. And that's it. The virtual machine or VM has been created. Okay, now what I need to do is change some settings. So I'm going to go to system and I'm going to allocate more processing power to this virtual machine as follows. So by default it's created 1 core, so I'm just going to select 2 cores. Then on the display section, I'm going to set the video memory all the way up to 128 megabytes. Then finally, I'm going to go to network and change the virtual network adapter. I'm going to change that from NAT to bridge. That will allow me to remotely log into my virtual machine. Once that's done, the virtual machine has been created and we're ready to install CentOS7 on it. I'm going to create another video that describes the process of installing CentOS7 on this virtual machine. Thank you very much for your time. If you like this video, please click on like. If you wish to see further videos from myself, please click on subscribe. And should you wish to be notified when I upload further videos to my YouTube channel, please click the notification bell. And thank you very much for your time.